Okay, I know wedding season and festive season is just around the corner, but at the same time, I also know you don't want to miss all the fun by just sitting in front of your dresser and just caking up your face. So, I decided to give you a very easy look. Like in like 10 minutes, maximum of 10 minutes, you'll be done and will be enjoying your heart out this festive season. So, if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So to start with, I'm taking this Milani concealer. It is amazing. I used it for the very first time and I fell in love at the very first moment. It's amazing. The shade is, I think, natural vanilla. I'll just keep down the links and the names down below in the description box. And I applied it to the higher points of my cheeks, and then after that I took Maybelline and just covered it if I have any sort of pigmentation or any redness, and just blending it with the blender from iMagic that I got from Makeup Shop, I think, from Instagram. So yes, and after that I'm just baking my under eye area and just taking the same sponge and dusting my entire face so that it stays in put and it doesn't budge and I don't get greasy, and that's pretty much it. So you can see me baking my face, well, not baking but just setting my face, and that's pretty much it again. And after that I'm just taking a bronzer and the contour shade all together, just bronzing up my normal areas like under the cheekbones to my forehead, little bit of shadow to my nose as well. I'm not going for the deep contouring as well, so I'm just going for a little bit of bronze shade, the whatever the shade that we took away by using our concealer. So yes, I'm just blending it with the help of a brush, and again with the help of a brush, and again. I think we're done. Yeah, we're done. So after that I'm taking this Milani Romantic Rose. I love this shade. It's such a beautiful, very pretty shade for the blush. I love this. And after that I'm taking this highlighter from Milani again. It's blinding, guys. It's literally blinding. I still don't know why everyone is not talking about Milani, but Milani brand is bomb. Trust me, it is not sponsored, but I hope Milani, please sponsor. I love your products. And then after that I'm just highlighting my entire face, to my nose, to my cheekbones, a lot on my cupid bow, and that's pretty much it. And then taking this Profusion Metal mixed palette and using the darkest shade for my eyebrows, and then filling them in place and just using a spoolie to brush the excess. Later on I took this Essence dark brown shade pencil and just I tightline my lash line and little bit to my waterline as well, just to give them a bit of depth, because you will be amazed to see the eye look that I will be going. It's super easy, guys. Super easy. You can use the black coal. I like brown, if you know. So I took this Tarte palette. You can take any palette. I use this shimmer shade. I don't remember the shade. I'll just put that down below. I did not put any crease shade, nothing. I just applied this on my entire lid, like literally on the entire lid. And then after that I'm taking this little bit of deeper shade and then just applying all over that lighter shade, and that's it. Like, that's pretty much it. And after that I'm going crazy with this Bad Girl mascara from Benefit, and it is amazing. Like, especially किसी थर्ड बंदे की अगर शादी पे जाना ना, like you just want to look put together and you don't want to put falsies, this is the best mascara that you can ever invest in. So that's that. I am just applying a good coat of mascara, and it is actually one coat, so crazy. After that I'm using this Kinda Sexy, I think, no, Please Me lipstick from MAC, and just applying it as my first shade. I love mixing my lipsticks. And then after that I'm taking this Unzip from Ofra, going over with that. Ta-da! We are done. This is the easiest look that I always go for whenever I have to go on someone else wedding and not like a friend wedding. But this is the easiest look. You'll be done in 10 minutes. You can pull this look someone's shadi, sangeet, mehendi, or just festival season. Trust me, guys, this is so easy. And I hope you guys will love this video. And if you guys did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like such kind of videos. I will be happy to make such kind of videos even more. And until then, bye.